Good day, my name is Fred Sinego. Physical movement and techniques. First is naturalism. That one is art style. It's to show objects realistic as possible. Artists who used naturalism try to capture real life details including light and texture and promotions. Humanism. Center of physical distance during the Renaissance to emphasize human potential and achievement. Renaissance humans so the physical takes and study and humanities including grammar, political history, poetry, and moral and philosophy. Fresco painting, also known to introduce fresco. This technique involves the painting with plaster. The pigment are mixed with water and applied to add a layer of brush with plaster into naphtha because of the chemical pickup of the plaster. Blender is not required as the pigment mixed slowly with the water will slip into naphtha, which itself becomes the medium holding the pigment. This method creates a strong and between the painting and the wall. This technique involves a painting on dry plaster and pigment require a bending medium such as egg, tempera, glue, or oil to adhere to the wall. Next is painting method involving the use of pigment combined with a dry oil as the binder. It has been most common technique for artistic painting on canvas, wood panel, or copper for several countries. The advantages oil painting images include greater flexibility, picture and denser color, the use of layers, and reader arranged from light to dark. All this known. Oil painting were created by Buddhist art, modern arts movements, Impressionism, emerged in France around 1874, characterized by visible brush stroke, open composition, and emphasis on the accurate deception of light and these changing qualities. Artists like Claude Monet sought to capture the fleeting sensory inspiration, concern for the naturalistic application of light and colors. So next is Cubism. It was a revolutionary new approach to representing reality invented around 1907-08 by artistic Pablo Picasso and touristic Berkeley. They brought the different views, subject, usually object or figures together in the same picture, resulting in painting that appear fragmented and abstracted. Cubism as a been considered the most influentially art movement of the 20th century. So next, Cubism is a style of painting and art movement emerged in France at the beginning of the 20th century. It was the style best Cubist, the well-fits a group of modern artistic choose works to emphasize the primarily qualities and strong color over the representational realistic values. By Impressionism, the leaders of the movement were André Derian and Henri Matisse. Typical traits of to present the world from the subjective and presentive. Cubism was an art movement, the European art in the early 20th century with Zurich, Switzerland, and Berlin in 1917. Dennis Mead's purpose was to challenge the social norms of society and purposely make art that from shop purpose for all rich people. Next is Surrealism. Surrealism is an art and cultural movement that developed in Europe in the aftermath of World War, in which artistic aim to allow the conspicuous mind to express itself, often resulting in the duplication of political or dreamlike sense the ideas. Its intention was, according to leader to Andre Breton, the result the perversely contradictory condition of dream and reality into a absolute reality, a sober reality. So reality. The last one is pop art. Pop art is an art movement that emerged in the United Kingdom and the United States during the mid to late 1950s. The movement represents a challenge to traditions of fine art by including images from popular and mass culture such as advertising, comic books,